Who's your favorite actor?
Actor.
Yeah.
Talapati Vijay.
Talapati Vijay. Hi, hi. Did you see his recent movie?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
You see it? I saw it. It was superb. That the age one.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
was superb for me. And the perfect villain for that villain movie. So hi, my name is Anil. What's your name?
Rakshitha.
Rakshitha. And you're from?
So Mangalore.
Mangalore. Okay. I've been Mangalore for a couple of times. I know about the weather over there. It's sunny or
cool.
it's rainy.
Yeah, it's
Right.
runny also. Like rainy also. It's
Sometimes then it's sunny.
sunny also.
So
We can't predict.
So you're from Mangalore.
Yeah, yeah.
So how long it's been? You're in
It's
Bangalore.
1.5 years. 1.5.
So 1.5 year.
Yeah,
You're in
yeah.
Bangalore only.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
Working
Working.
Yeah.
What are you working?
in Sasmosa.
SASMO.
It's in like aerospace company. We are doing like
Okay. So your designation?
designations operators. Operators.
You are an operator.
Actually, we manufacture the harnesses.
You manufacture
Harness.
harness.
Yeah, like a cables.
Okay. I think
We
it's
designed
complicated.
for that
Uh-huh. Well. So what's your favorite song?
song. In which language?
Anything. Your favorite.
Actually, I obviously choose Tulu songs. Like I'm from Mangalore, right?
So you like Tulu song? Any one in particular? You can't remember.
Yeah.
Fine, we'll discuss later, okay? So, yes, so let's start. No, please, feel comfortable, okay? Give me good poses, whatever you like.
I'm not finding any like position. Like
It's okay. You can move around, I'll track you. Just 2 minutes, okay? Nothing. Smile. We'll see how good it's getting.
it's too good.
Still good. And can we do one quick slow motion video? Yeah. Okay, that came good. Let me see. Sometimes the prices it won't be that much. That's good. Sometimes they get good. I'll make it good. Okay, no problem. Uh, yeah, it's Anil Flix PM. So you can say me hi. So I can collab the video with you. So we'll do that. Yes. Thank you so much. It was good. You can have your bag. You forgetting your bag. So see you around.
Say thanks for the cab.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Bye. Bye.